the last answer. Never do that. Although that's not the primary reason of using hashtags in social media.
Okay, sir. Thank you for this insight. I'll look more into this topic.
Alright, Mugdha, can you let me know of all the different types of Google ad formats or Google ad campaigns that you're familiar with?
Uh,
Hey everyone, this is Hussein here, Training and Placement Head with PIIDM. If you've gotten a digital marketing interview coming up, this video is just for you. In this video, I'll be giving you some powerful tips on how to be confident, how to have good communication, good enthusiasm during your interview, and how to give an impactful and impressive answers to the interviewer. Whether you're nervous for your first interview or looking to sharpen your edges, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to walk in with confidence and walk out with success. So, Mugdha, can we have a quick introduction?
yes, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Mugdha Prabhugaonkar. I did my master's in English and I did my first internship in journalism as a video editor. From there, I got interested in customer behavior and growth of a brand. So I learned digital marketing, did my certification with PIDM, where I also did my internship. And during that internship, I worked with all the modules of digital marketing. And now I'm looking for more hands on experience in this field.
All right. And why have you chosen digital marketing as your career option?
So, as you must have seen, that my background is very creative and I wanted to support it with analytics. I'm just very fascinated with the part where digital marketing helps small brands grow to global scale, and I'm very excited to be part of this journey and learn all aspects of digital marketing and help brands grow.
And why do you want to work with us?
I have seen the clients that you work with and also the strategies that you implement. They are very creative, and to be part of your company will be an honor. I have also checked your LinkedIn profile and your Glassdoor reviews, which also shows a very positive side of your company, and I would love to work on your projects.
Mugdha, I can see in your resume that you have worked extensively on Google Ads and paid advertisements. So, with that, can you tell me what is a PPC advertising model? And along with that, what is the difference between PPC and CTR?
PPC or pay per click is an advertising model used by brands to pay to advertising channels for every click done by a user or a customer. And CTR or click through rate is clicks to impression ratio, which tells how well your ad is performing.
Mugdha, can you let me know of all the different types of Google ad formats or Google ad campaigns that you're familiar with?
Uh, I'm familiar with all the 6 types of campaigns that Google Ads provide: uh, search ad, display ad, video ad, shopping ad, performance max ad, and app campaign ad.
All right, Mugdha, can you tell me what is the application of using hashtags in social media?
So, as far as I know, hashtags are used to rank your content. Uh, Trending hashtags help you get better reach, and which leads to more followers.
Although that's not the primary reason of using hashtags in social media. Basically, hashtag helps in categorizing your content. What it means is, let's say your content is about travel, it will be shown to the people who love travel. Okay. And with that, when you target the right audience, of course, you can expect better engagement. All right. That's where, of course, yes, gradually it helps in engagement of the ad, but the prime reason is to categorize it.
Okay, sir. Thank you for this insight. I'll look more into this topic.
All right. Mugdha, can you tell me about some latest trends that now people follow when they are creating their website?
One of the trends that I'm aware of recently is the use of AI chatbots in website creation. There are different types of AI chatbots, some free and some paid as well. And people are testing it on their website, creating their own uh, chatbots. So that is the trend that I'm aware of.
All right, Mugdha. So we are done with your interview. And lastly, we would like to conclude. There are a couple of things that I would like to give you a feedback on. The first thing is about your introduction. Right from your introduction, I could see you are a bit hesitant. Okay, that shows nervousness, and that's not a good body posture and body language that you maintain during the interview. Second thing, as I could see that your body language, you are sitting stiff during your interview. You're continuously seeming nervous. All right. When you're sitting for an interview, you're supposed to calm and condense yourself. You're supposed to sit relax. Also, try to have a smile on your face. Try to be casual during your interview. And about your behavior, also, I could say that, there was a time during the interview where you had mentioned, as I mentioned in your last, you had already mentioned something about, you working on a creative path in your introduction. And that's when you had to repeat it in the next question. You said, as I mentioned in the last answer. Never do that. Okay. Try to repeat yourself. That, of course, shows that you are not willing to repeat, or you are just reminding the interviewer that you have already mentioned about it in your previous answer. That can also be a behavioral aspect. Try to not say, as I mentioned. All right. The third thing is a positive feedback. I could see that in a question where you cannot answer up to the expectation, you mentioned that you are willing to learn more about that answer. And that was a very good remark that you gave on that answer. I appreciate when every interviewer, I would say, appreciates when the candidate is willing to learn and shows a learner's behavior. So just keep a note of it. And definitely, if whenever you are stuck with an answer, yes, show your genuineness and also let the interviewer know that you are willing to learn. That's all about your feedback.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback.
All right. So here's your interview for a fresher's profile of digital marketing. Please let us know in the comment section if you have more such questions that you would like to get answers on. And also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell icon in order to get more updates. Thank you.